This is a brand new 2026 Toyota Hilux, so we've protected it with a Meta BL-EVO Immobiliser, which makes a load of noise if someone tries to steal the vehicle, and it's a really simple system to use. It's just tag based, press a button and you're good to go. If someone tried to steal this 2026 Hilux, they smashed the rear window, climbed in, programmed a key, or they done a relay attack on this key, had it in hand and went to steal the vehicle, it will start up and then just die. They'll be unable to restart it. And if you make this mistake, this gives you time to press the button on the tags. If not, we'll open the window. About 10 seconds later, the horn and the hazards go off. If we try and restart, it just doesn't start. And we silence it by pressing the button on the tags. So how you'll drive this, you'll get in, press the button, get a flash, and you're good to start it up. It's going to remain running and you can drive off. Turn the vehicle off, this self-activates within about a minute, and if someone tried to steal it after that, they copied the key, smashed the window, programmed a new one, got the ignition on, the vehicle's going to start and switch off, and then 10 seconds later, the horn and the hazards are going to go off to draw attention to the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.